our 25th anniversary celebration, our banquet. I think we've covered almost everything. Recognizing all those from the past and looking forward to recognizing you guys for the future. There's one last award I'd like to give out, and that's the first ever CEDAR Service Award, Outstanding Service Award, and I'd like to present that to Barbara Emery.
Well, thank you all. I didn't expect that, so I appreciate it. At one point, I remember that Rich Benke called me Mother CEDAR, and at that point, I didn't like that, but I've come to accept that that actually is how I do work in these meetings. So I run after the students, and I run after the speakers, and I run after whatever. And so Mother CEDAR is not a bad term. So thank you guys for this service award.